Hello, my name's Ellis and I'm going to be a security guard in this short film. And there's going to be an unexpected person who's going to be Mr. Bean.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello. I'm Bean, Mr. Bean. I don't like being called Bean, but I like Mr. No, I don't like Bean. Mr. Bean. Bean, Mr. Bean, Bean. I like Bean.
Right, so Mr. Bean, yes?
Bean.
Just Bean, yeah?
Bean.
How do you spell that?
B-E-A-N.
Okay, and what's with the teddy?
Bean.
Bean.
B-E-A-N. Not Bean. Bean. Not Bean. Bean. What are you laughing at? What are you laughing at?
Right, no.
I want to be called Bean.
You're being
Bean.
You're being out of hand now. You're going to have to go.
No, I'm Bean. Bean never gets out of hand because I'm sensible. Mr. Bean.
Right.